important perfume reaction also involved. In perfume reaction, aromatic aldehyde react with acid anhydride and in the presence of acetic acid and heat and water, we have the cyanuric acid as a final product. So general reaction in perfume reaction is general reaction. General reaction mainly in perfume reaction, aromatic aldehyde is used as a benzaldehyde. So this is your benzaldehyde. Plus acid anhydride, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3, acid anhydride. This reactant, this benzaldehyde acid anhydride reactant in the presence of reagent CH3COO and heat and water. In this CH3CO here is negative charge and here is positive charge. So we have the final product cyanic acid CH double bond CH dash COH cyanic plus CH3COOH. The mechanism of this reaction mechanism. In the step first, this acid anhydride CH3 double bond O, C double bond O H CH3 CH3COOH is negative charge here. So we have here CH2 negative C double bond O, C double bond O CH2. So this product attack on benzaldehyde in step second. In step second, this is your benzaldehyde C double bond O CH. Here, this benzaldehyde we can write also here carbon or oxygen or negative charge hydrogen because oxygen is electron rich or powerful. So this double bond is to here. So here we got here negative charge, here partial positive charge and here partial negative charge. So this here also right here benzaldehyde C O negative H plus this product acid anhydride C double bond O C double bond O that CH this is attack here. So we have after hydrolysis, here H2O, we add the H2O, so this group, this O and H2O is removed. So then we have like this. Here we add again water, and this group is removed. So we have CH double bond good.